What's up everybody, my name is Phil, welcome to the Detailing Workshop. So this channel is dedicated to new and upcoming detailers. And of course, the information in here is good for any type of detailer, whether you've been in it for just a couple of weeks or a couple of years. But this channel is really going to dive into the ins and outs of the physical detailing aspect. Now, if you are interested in watching and learning from other satisfying detailing videos, then check out our main channel at Miranda Detailing. Otherwise, this channel is going to be more one-on-one talking like this and answering some of the questions you have and talking about many different topics. Now, true, I could have put that on the other channel, but some people don't really enjoy the talking. They don't want to learn, they just want to watch it for entertainment purposes, which is completely fine. But here, I'm going to try to answer your questions about the business of detailing. Now, when it comes to any financial type of business questions and topics, I'm no financial advisor, I'm no business guru. All I know is how to run our own little detailing business. All of the knowledge and experience that we've accumulated over the past 11 years, I hope will be able to help you start and maintain your detailing business. Now, the topics that we're going to be talking about on this channel will be related to both mobile detailing and even in a garage setting. Not so much in a big shop. I don't have employees, so I don't have experience in big shop detailing. We do have a nice garage shop here at our home that we have customers come to dropping off their vehicles. We can perform full paint corrections and full ceramic coatings as well. So if you have questions about all those different types of topics, mobile detailing, interior and exterior detailing, paint correction, ceramic coating, and everything in between, then definitely consider subscribing and staying tuned to the channel. And if you have any questions or topics you want me to talk about, leave a comment or even message me. You can call or email, which is even better because I can keep track of all those emails, and let me know what topics you would like to talk about. And if there's anything that I don't know the answer to, there are some subjects that I don't have experience in, then I'll try to point you in the right direction. And if you're interested in that one-on-one training, either here in person at our shop or online training, we can offer live streaming online training, then check out the detailingworkshop.com. So I hope you enjoy all the videos that will be coming soon on this channel. Stay tuned, and again, ask all the questions you want. I'm here trying to help you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy.